Hello, dog enthusiasts. I'm Victor Van Buren, and today we're unraveling the truth behind 10 common misconceptions about Cocker Spaniels. Myth number 1. High-maintenance grooming. While Cocker Spaniels have a luxurious coat, regular grooming can keep it manageable. With proper care, their grooming needs are reasonable and contribute to their overall well-being. Myth number 2. Not good with children. Cocker Spaniels are often excellent with children. Their gentle and affectionate nature makes them wonderful family companions, and they often form strong bonds with kids. Myth number 3. Prone to aggression. Cocker Spaniels are generally friendly and affectionate, not prone to aggression. Proper socialization and training from an early age contribute to their well-balanced temperament. Myth number 4. Not suitable for apartments. Cocker Spaniels can adapt well to apartment living with regular exercise. They enjoy indoor play and outdoor walks, making them versatile in various living environments. Myth number 5. Require excessive exercise. While they enjoy outdoor activities, Cocker Spaniels don't need excessive exercise. Regular walks, playtime, and mental stimulation are sufficient to keep them happy. Myth number 6. All Cocker Spaniels have the same coat color. Cocker Spaniels come in various coat colors, including black, chocolate, buff, and more. Each dog has its unique coat pattern, contributing to their individuality. Myth number 7. Not intelligent. On the contrary, Cocker Spaniels are intelligent dogs. They are eager to please and respond well to positive reinforcement training methods. Myth number 8. Too energetic for seniors. While they have energy, Cocker Spaniels can adapt to the activity level of their owners. They make wonderful companions for seniors who enjoy moderate exercise. Myth number 9. Not good with other pets. Cocker Spaniels can get along well with other pets, especially if properly socialized. Their friendly nature extends to other animals, making them suitable for multi-pet households. Myth number 10. Prone to ear infections. While Cocker Spaniels have floppy ears that require regular cleaning, not all of them are prone to ear infections. Proper ear care can help prevent this issue. If you enjoyed our video, leave a comment below, click the like button, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.